Hey guys, how to download Destiny 2 on PC. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking a video. Let's get started. Now first of all, open a web browser in your laptop and search Steam. Steam is the game store. Link in description. After opening the Steam website, click in the top right to install Steam, and again click Install Steam. Download and install Steam on your PC from here, but is already installed on my laptop. After installation, open it and sign in or create an account. After that, click on the top right search bar and type Destiny 2, and then click on Destiny 2. And scroll down and click on Add to Library, and click OK from here. Your game will be added to library. Go to Library, click at the top, and find Here Your Destiny 2 game, click on it. And click on Install. And select the location. And click again Install. Wait for installation.